If you are a SaaS company still tracking deals in a spreadsheet or using a CRM that wasn't built for how SaaS businesses actually sell, this video is going to save you a lot of time and money. At NetHunt CRM, we worked with over 100 SaaS businesses to set up and optimize their CRM. We've seen what works, what gets abandoned after 2 weeks, and what actually gets result on pipeline and revenue. So in this video, we are counting down the 7 best CRMs for SaaS, from good to best, based on real-world use, not marketing pages. Number 1 might surprise you. Stick around. Before we get into the list, here's exactly what we used to rank these tools. Every CRM was scored on 5 criteria that matter specifically for SaaS. 1. Gmail and Google Workspace integration. Most SaaS teams live in Gmail. The CRM needs to work there natively, not just sync loosely. 2. SaaS pipeline flexibility. Can you build stages that reflect your sales process, not generic contact ad and proposal send stages? 3. Automation. SaaS sales moves fast. Manual data entry and manual follow-up are deal killers. 4. Pricing transparency at the growth stage. A tool that costs $150 per seat per month might be fine for enterprise. It's a problem for a 15-person SaaS team. 5. Ease of adoption. The best CRM is the one that your team actually uses. If it takes 3 months to implement and 2 weeks of training, it doesn't matter how many features it has. Alright, so let's count down. Number 7. Monday Sales CRM. Its key features: highly visual board style pipeline, flexible custom columns, strong if your team already uses Monday.com for project management. Limitations for SaaS: weak native email integration, no Gmail sidebar. Automation is basic compared to dedicated CRMs. Reporting is limited. Pricing from $12 per seat per month basic plan. You'll need the Pro plan at $24 per seat for automation and integrations. So Monday Sales CRM earns the last spot because it's really useful, but it's a project management tool wearing a CRM hat. If your team already lives in Monday, it's a reasonable starting point, but as a CRM for SaaS sales, you'll outgrow it fast. Number 6. Zoho. Key features: part of the Zoho ecosystem, 45 plus apps including accounting, email, and project management, AI assistant Zia for lead scoring, custom modules for SaaS-specific data. Limitations for SaaS: the UX is noticeably dated and requires significant configuration. Gmail integration exists but doesn't feel native. Expect a longer setup time. Pricing: standard plan from $14 per seat per month. Zoho One access to all 45 plus apps from $37 per seat per month if every employee is on it. If budget is the main constraint and you have someone willing to configure a CRM, Zoho delivers enormous value per dollar. For SaaS teams that want something running quickly, the setup investment is a real cost to wait. Number 5. Salesforce. The most customizable CRM on the market, deep analytics, AI forecasting, custom objects for any SaaS data model, integrates with virtually everything. Limitations for SaaS: significant implementation cost, often requires a dedicated admin or a consultant. Pricing escalates quickly. It's overkill for most teams under 100 seats. Pricing: starter suite from $25 per seat per month, enterprise from $165 per seat per month. Implementation costs on top of licensing are a real budget item. So the verdict: Salesforce is the right answer for complex enterprise-level SaaS, multiple products, dedicated revenue operations. If that's not you yet, the implementation overhead and cost will slow you down more than features will help. Number 4, Freshsales. Key features: built-in AI lead scoring surfaces which trial users are most likely to convert to paid, which is generally useful for SaaS, native phone and email in one platform. Limitations: Google Workspace integration is functional but not deep, no native Gmail sidebar experience, automation requires higher tier plans, reporting could be stronger as well. Pricing: a gross plan from $9 per seat per month, Pro plan, where automation and AI fully kick in, from $39 per seat per month. Freshsales punches above its weight for fast-moving SMB SaaS teams. The AI lead scoring is the standout feature. If surfacing your hottest trial conversions automatically sounds valuable, it's worth a look. Falls short on Gmail devs. Number 3, Pipedrive. Key features: clean, fast visual pipeline that sales reps genuinely enjoy using, which matters more than people admin. Email sync and sequences on the growth plan, activity-based selling built in. Limitations: no native Gmail sidebar, you work in Pipedrive's own interface. Reporting is basic on lower tiers, marketing automation requires a paid add-on. Pricing: essential from $14 per seat per month. Gross plan at $39 per seat per month is where email sync and sequences become available, the minimum useful tier for SaaS. Pipedrive earns third place for one simple reason: rep adoption. Sales reps actually like using it, which means your pipeline data stays clean. For sales-led SaaS without a heavy Google Workspace dependency, it's a strong choice. Number 2, HubSpot. Key features: unifies marketing, sales, and customer success in one platform. Best free CRM tier available. Strong Gmail extension, excellent onboarding resources. Limitation: pricing escalates sharply. Email sequences on automation only start at $90 per seat per month on Sales Hub Professional. Custom objects, essential for tracking subscriptions separately, require $150 per seat enterprise tier. Pricing: free plan up to 2 users, starter from $15 per seat per month, a Sales Hub Professional, where it becomes a real SaaS CRM, from $90 per seat per month. HubSpot is a genuinely great platform. It just gets expensive fast for SaaS teams at the growth stage. If you are pre-revenue and want to start free and scale gradually, it's smart. If you are 10-50 seats doing the math on $90 per seat, keep watching. Number 1, NetHunt CRM. And yes, this is ours. We said that at the start. But here's why NetHunt CRM is the best CRM for SaaS teams specifically. Because it comes down to one thing none of the other tools on this list have fully solved. Most CRMs require your team to change their behavior. For a SaaS team where every hour counts, that friction is a real cost. Deals don't get logged, follow-up slip, pipeline data just goes stale. And NetHunt is built inside Gmail, not integrated with Gmail, inside it. Your pipeline, contact records, deal history, and automations all live directly in the inbox your team is already working from. No context switching, no "I'll update the CRM later." It just happens. Features that matter for SaaS: pipeline automation, move deals forward, assign tasks, trigger follow-up sequences, no ops hire, no Zapier. SaaS-ready pipelines, Build stages that reflect your actual customer journey. Trial, engage, demo, close, renewal, multi-channel communication, email, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, calls, socials, all threads live on the client record, no app switching. Team collaboration, shared views, deal assignments, internal notes, your whole team stays on the same page. Honest limitation. If your team doesn't run on Google Workspace, NetHunt isn't the right fit. Pricing. Plans start at $24 per seat per month, with full automation and reporting tier at $48 per seat per month. No artificial paywalls, everything you need to actually run SaaS sales is included from the start. Try NetHunt free at nethunt.com, link is in the description, no credit card needed. Alright, that's the full ranking, the quick version. If you are deciding right now, if you are in Google Workspace, use NetHunt CRM. It's the only tool on this list that meets your team where they already work. If you need an all-in-one platform and have the budget, HubSpot. If your team is purely sales-led, Pipedrive. And if you are enterprise with dedicated revenue operations, Salesforce. Everything else on this list is a compromise somewhere. Pick the one whose compromise you can live with. Like and subscribe if this helped, and we'll see you in the next one.